Hey guys, welcome to weekly market review. In this video, I will review the top trades for this week and see where we can make money, including altcoins, including meme coins. So let's dive in. So first of all, we have this Bitcoin chart. You can see right over here, Bitcoin is now trending on the sideways, but the best part is look at the higher time frame, which is the monthly chart. If you look closely at the monthly chart, you will realize something is happening, which is it is now touching the key support level, which is your this the 50 MA, which is the dynamic support line, and this is quite good. That means if you want to short Bitcoin, be very careful because it can actually bounce from here and may go down next. That can happen. But also the fact is that since everything is in the bear run, this can also crash. Henceforth, the only caution that you need to take is plan diligently and look at the lower time frame and do not go all in shorting Bitcoin at the moment. Of course, it is very tempting at the moment, but I would like to aware you, do not go all in the short, plan accordingly. So even on the weekly chart, it looks quite, it is reaching the support level, which is again at around $60,000, which is good. And every other pattern is kind of bearish. So overall, it's bearish, but again, it is now hitting the key support level. So please be careful. Now, this token that I'm going to short this week includes the top one is ZEC. If you look at ZEC, it is still in a very bearish mode. Of course, overall it is bullish, like I always say, but if you look at the higher time frame, let's say monthly and let's say weekly, this one you will realize that this is actually going to go down further after making a high test on this time frame, which is on the weekly. Now it has a two big resistance level, which is 20 MA and 50 MA. So I believe it can go down to as low as $100 or maybe around $120 to $150 with a stop loss of at around $252. Of course, I will cover this in my Platinum Telegram group. If you haven't yet subscribed to my Platinum, please click on the join button and be part of the Telegram group because that is where we share key updates totally live, and that is where we make most of our money trading altcoins and meme coins. So this is about Zcash. The second token is BNB, which is again very very interesting. So I'm waiting for it on the weekly time frame to cross this the low point of this last week candle, which is at around $600. If it goes below this, I think it is going to go down further to the level of $500, but for that it must cross the level of $600. It's a good short trade. Of course, this was the long trade I took last week. I booked at break even, but the short trade should be something like this, which is your like this short and this right over here with an entry point of nearly $600, and of course with the profit target of close to $500 or just like $510 on the safe side, just like that. So this can be your short target for Binance in the long term if the market stays bearish for a long period of time. But make sure your entry point should be at 600, not above it, not now, not later. 600, that's the target. Okay, so this is about this trade. Now let me go to another trade which is think is very good, and that is your virtual token, which I have already shorted. I have explained it in my Telegram community. So of course, if you're part of it, you know it already. So just check out here. It is making a big high test candle on the weekly, and overall the pattern is bearish. Of course, the monthly is where I see a little bit of bullishness, but overall the pattern is bearish, and we can actually short it to the level of 50 cent if or once it crossed the lows of last week, which is at around 60 cent. So let it cross below 60 cent, then we can enter and then we can start making money. Even on a daily chart, it looks quite bearish. I see the trend going something like this, which is your bearish, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. But overall trend is bearish, so it will fail at some point in time and will go down further. That is my take about this token. So I'll remain bearish on virtual, on ZSC, and of course Bitcoin. Something you need to check out. I'm not trading Ethereum. That is kind of very gray area. Apart from that, you can watch out for Pippin because it is dumping, so it may rise back again, but the price point is not there yet. Penguin, another trade. You can long and short it because this is a token that pumped starting April 2025, and now we are in nearly approaching April 2026. So this should be on your watch list. You can see on the weekly chart it is hitting the bottom. So these are the token that I will be observing. Some of them I will be trading. For more details, of course, you can comment below, ask me, and of course, be part of my Platinum Telegram membership. And of course, click the join button. And let's meet tomorrow in a new video and make some good money in this market, because money can be made even if it's long or bear or bulls. Money can be made anytime if you are a trader. Thank you.